ST blend consonant ending sound. The letter S make the sound and the letter T make the sound T. The letter S and T together at the end of word, they make the sound st. ST first, st. ST last, st. ST test, test, ST rest, rest. ST ghost, ghost. ST must, must. ST chest, chest. ST west, west. Great job! Now you can read more ST word. ST fast, fast. ST past, past. ST east, east. ST best, best. ST nest, nest. ST west, west. ST feast, feast. ST mist, mist. ST most, most. ST post, post. ST cost, cost. ST dust, dust. ST just, just. ST must, must. Great job! Okay, blend consonant ending sound. The letter S make the sound and the letter K make the sound. The letter S and K together at the end of word, they make the sound SK dix, dix. SK ux, SK marks, marks. SK task, task. SK wakes, wakes. SK decks, decks. SK flex, flex. SK ricks, ricks. SK text, text. SK multitask, multitask. SK fricks, fricks. Great job!